happy, baby. Oh, your toy's going off. What happened? You quit playing with your toy. Alex. Uh-oh, your toy's saying bye-bye to you. Well, what's going on here with this? Look at
Play ball.
Play ball.
Out of here.
You're just interested in that light.
Come on, baseball fans.
Yay, come on, baseball fans. Okay.
Wow, you got a double.
Where'd you put your bat? Oh, here it is.
Wow,
There's your
you
bat.
got a single.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
Let's show Grandma how good you learn. Ready? Watch this. You got to take the bat and go like this. Take the bat and hit the ball. Whoops.
Oh,
Take the
boy.
bat and hit the
You
ball.
hit a triple.
There you go. Take the bat and hit the ball.
Going, gone. Get
Okay.
out of here.
You got to hit the bat. I mean, use the bat to hit the ball. Watch. Ready? Go.
Nice swing. Oh, boy. You hit a double.
Come on. Aww.
Oh, boy. You hit a double.
Well, maybe when you get bigger, you'll
You
figure
hit
it
a
out.
single. Wow. You got a double. Going, gone. Home run. Wow.
Want to try one more time?
Triple.
Okay, ready? Here's the bat. You got to hit the ball.
Oh,
Okay,
boy.
hit the ball with the
Hit a
bat.
double.
Ready? Go. Like that. Okay, ready? Hit it.
Going,
You don't even care about that bat.
Wow. You got a single. Step up to the plate. Wow. You got a triple.
Alrighty, Alex. Say goodbye.
Oh, boy. You hit a single.
Ooh, incoming baby.
Going, gone. Home run. Wow. You got a double. Wow. You got a single.
Alright, where's the home run?
Oh, boy.
Yay.
You hit a single. Oh, boy. You hit a
Alright,
triple.
this is as much fun as I can handle. Bye.